Welcome to Learn with Flag, the show that takes you on a journey around the world to discover national animals of different countries. Our first stop is Australia, the kangaroo, Canada, the beaver, India now, Bengal tiger, South Africa, the springbok. Let's go to China now, the giant panda. Next up is Brazil, the macaw. The national animal of France is the Gaelic rooster. Moving on to Kenya, the lion. Spain now, the bull. And finally, New Zealand, the kiwi. So there you have it, kids, the national animals of some countries. We hope you enjoyed learning with flags today. See you next time.